Hi crafting friends, it's Stephanie Grams with MySewingNeedle.com, and I wanted to show you a real quick sneak peek. Today's actually May 5th, 2018, and I've already gotten a jump start on my vintage Christmas line, and you can see I have a bunch of goodies. I found the miniature jingle bells at my local Walmart, so I just separated them into this little plastic container. I think I found this container at my local Dollar Tree. So I have several more empty spaces, so that means I need another pack of jingle bells. And then the Dollar Tree has the most amazing ribbon ever. And I did notice when I went back that it's been rather picked over, maybe because it's beginning to, get closer to Mother's Day. I'm not real sure. But I will be stocking up on their glitter ribbon. And then I'll be using some white feathers in my Christmas line this year, and I could find these only at Walmart, but they're really nice. They're super soft. This is some of my junk journaling stuff right here, so I'll move that out of the way. And then Dollar Tree, I don't remember which Dollar Tree it was, but they had this on a spool. And I picked it up because I thought it was delicate and kind of, like a romantic type of flavor. But, I'm thinking that I can actually glue this on some of the stockings to add to it. I don't know. We'll see. I've been wanting to use these like miniature flat-sided pearls for at least a year now. And then I have some goodies. All right, so many of you know that my husband and our family, we travel like every 13 weeks to 6 months for his job, and we have gotten to be in like 4 different areas of Florida, 3 maybe 4 different places in Ohio, Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach, and then North Carolina. And when we were in actually Pensacola, Florida last year, there was a craft store, I cannot remember the name of it, that my husband took me to. I had never seen one like that before. And they had a bunch of this eyelash stuff. And it's Martha Stewart Crafts glitter eyelash. And they were there for $1.99, but I got them for 10 cents. So I grabbed one of every color that they had, even though I had no idea what I was going to do with it. But I still grabbed it, and I'm glad I did now because I'm able to pair these up with this year's Christmas line. Okay, so, I don't know, I'm just excited. Then, last but not least, I was gifted about, I don't know, 10 to 15 yards of fabric from my mother a year ago. And the fabric, this is one of the prints. This is a print. And where's the red one? This one. And so I drew my own pattern for the stockings. And I've been using up this particular fabric. And I know this fabric's at least 8 years old. Like, you cannot find this print anywhere anymore. So that's going to be my inspiration for the product line this year. And it's going to have like a vintage, maybe modern twist to it. Still in the, obviously in the beginning, I don't know, stage, I guess the word is, of it. But it's going to have a lot of, I don't know, 3D effects, and it's just they're going to be super cute. I'm very excited. But maybe I will show you the finished product. I don't know. But anyways, if you look at the description, I will put the description, or put my website in that description. They're not on the website yet, but they will eventually be there because I'm in the middle of putting my store up on my own domain, which is MySewingNeedle.com. So again, look in the description and you'll be able to find me. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So another goodie that I found, which has nothing to do with this vintage line at all, but has to do with a different vintage line that I'm going to be showing you later this year. I actually found a water-based sealer glue and finish by Mod Podge, and I'm extremely excited to use this and show you how I'll use this with my other vintage items. But again, this has nothing to do with any of this. Just a quick tip, what I do is when I purchase my items, I just started doing this past year, is I put down the date that I purchased it on the tag. Like, I got this today for 25 cents. I mean, you can't beat that. Today I ended up getting this for 50 cents. And these little bows, aren't they cute? They totally match my Christmas vintage line. I got them for 50 cents a piece. And so I dated the back on it. I mean, when I see things like this, I pick it up because I know I can use it in my crafts. And what else did I get today? Oh, isn't this pretty? This gathered ribbon. I paid 75 cents for this today. And I will also be using the pipe cleaners. And I ended up getting these at Walmart. I think these colors are going to be perfect for the vintage line this year. And what else? Oh, okay, so remember I was telling you a story. I ended up getting these for like 10 cents a piece. Well, this is a blue, and this I bought last winter at the Dollar Tree. I mean, this is beautiful together. I mean, who would have thought, right? So when you see something on sale that you know is high quality, if you're a crafter and sewist, it's really smart to pick it up when you can, even if you don't have a plan for it right away. But I'm glad I was able to do that. All right, guys, I hope to hear from you and connect, and look forward to seeing what you're creating this year for your Christmas line. Bye, guys.